I'm going to show you how to play 2 against 5 because it's actually pretty easy. It's also in 5/4. So here's the first half of the rhythm. And then here's the mirror. And then you go backwards. And that's all there is to it. It might remind you of 2 against 3, which was that. Let me simplify it even further. In one part it just sounds like this. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Dividing it between the 2 hands or the 2 parts. And sounds like this in 2 parts.